Emilio, but what do you want to say?
For me po, I think it's really about acceptance po. Like, kung sino ka man, kung ano man, how you talk, how you act, it's about how people can accept you for who you are. Kung sino ka man talaga. And I think it's a really big factor in the show po talaga. Yun po. Thank you.
Thanks, Rain. May hinahanap lang ako kasi yun ang next na magtatanong kung
Nice
nandiyan
one,
dito.
Bunso.
Ano na?
Nice one, Bunso. Ang
Nice
ganda
one,
ng growth ni
Bunso.
Bunso eh.
Talk about it from...
Wala lang, parang from PBB, tapos nandito na siya. It's her first acting experience and she really killed it. So, I'm very proud of our Bunso here.
Ano bang role ni Rain?
What's your role, Rain?
Ako po sasagot. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm Olivia po in the show. Nasa trio po ako ni Farah and Sinag. Andy Abaya. Where are you? Japan. Pero yun po, in a friend group po. And ang role ko po as a friend dun sa friend group na yun is very unfiltered po talaga. I will tell you what
Speak
you need
her
to
mind,
hear.
no?
Yeah, talaga. To help you, my friend, I will tell you, my friend. Yun po.
Wait, may mas mo si Andy. Andy's part of it. Sino pa nawala dito?
River Joseph, of course. Yes.
So, sabihin, na-shoot to before you guys went inside,
Yes,
no?
yes.
Okay. Direct question. Did they have to audition or handpick sila lahat dito?
Yes, everybody auditioned
Oh.
for the series. Tama ba? Everybody. Yes, oh yeah.
Pero hindi requirement yung marunong maglaro when they audition.
Hindi. Of course, nakalagay naman nandun sa because can play volleyball. Siyempre, check na kagad si Dylan.
Hindi ka direct na
Tama, kasi naglalaro talaga
Kasi
siya.
saka si Rain. So,
Si Rain
but
din.
more than that, it's really, performance talaga yung hahanapin mo or the look or how yung energy, kung nabibigyan ba nila na energy yung character. But yeah, everybody auditioned for the role.
Awesome. Okay, let's call in now Jeffrey Olila Garcia. Jeff, are you here? Ang layo ni Jeff, sa taas. Siya ang magtatanong ng next set of questions.
Good afternoon sa lahat ng cast.
Follow the light.
Yes. Follow the light. Yes. Dito na lang. Okay. Yun, again, good afternoon sa cast. Congratulations sa...
Jeff, anino ka lang dyan.
Oh.
Kasama ka lang namin kanina. Yan, yan.
Ayun.
We can see you now.
Ayun, congratulations sa bagong DG series sa Love at First Spike. And I'm quite a volleyball fan din. Yes. So yun, ang first question ko is for Rain Selmar. Hello.
Hello po.
From PBB. Ito agad. First acting debut mo. So, how will you prepare for this role?
Oh, well po. For preparations po, I think I was watching a series po. Dito in ABS-CBN to really, to see like, but then like, ito po. Before PBB, I was just a student po. I was just watching on screen. Kaya, I don't know what to expect po sa first taping day ko kasi I've just been, nakikita ko lang yung products, never the behind the scenes. Kaya, yeah, I was like, I don't know what to do. Kaya, it was big help po talaga ng the castmates po. Very helpful, very guiding. And I think sa preparations po, malaki po yung help nila. Talaga telling me like, oh, ito yung gagawin mo, you should read all your script, tapos i-feel mo talaga, i-ganon mo talaga. And yung mga advices po nila, I really listened and took it to heart. Talaga, thank you guys! Oh my gosh, we're here! So, ayun po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Rain. And from one Rain to another. Rain Parani. Hello.
Hello.
Ayan, so isa sa mga veterans nung time mo sa PBB.
Thank you so much.
8 days
Yes po.
Yes. And ngayon, ito, nandito ka na. First leading role mo. And so, gaano mo naman katrabaho sina Sean at Emilio pagdating sa sports and pagdating dito sa serye?
How it was working.
How was it
Yes,
working with
I
them?
was working with them.
It was.
Why?
Sorry
Ba't bigla ka natawa?
No, I'm really happy with the friendship and bond that we put together. It was natural, I'd say. we're really close na po, and we've done workshops, we've done trainings together, we go out together and eat and share good food together. So it was really natural to work with them, but at the same time, of course, hindi po natin may iwasan yung mga struggles with making it work and what our goal is. But I'm really glad now we're here na po, and I can really tell you that later you'll see the hard work that I'm talking about and how strong the chemistry is. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jeff. Maraming salamat. Direk, I'm curious again. Sobrang curious talaga ako eh. Kasi mga bagets lahat to.
Yes.
Kamusta sa set?
Grabe energy.
Puro TikTok ba ng TikTok? Ano ba? Masaya ba?
Yeah! Talaga ba? Minsan required mag-TikTok.
Okay.
Pero energy-wise, medyo kailangan kong sumabay.
Okay.
Kasi talagang grabe yung energy. But,
Eh, bata ka pa naman eh.
Oo nga, Direk!
hey, thank you so much. But I think nakatulong yung energy nila, especially sa paglaro ng sports.
Okay.
Kasi hindi biro mag-shoot ng isang volleyball game. It's buong day. We shoot the whole day and kailangan with different angles. So paulit.
I was about to ask, so pag may pumalo, kailangan ulitin niya?
Yes, si Bong, si Dylan, paulit-ulit yan. Na, ditong camera angle, dito naman. So, and that's just one.
Pati yung mga dive?
Yeah, si Lance. Yeah, so it's, yun na subukan talaga yung endurance ng mga batang to. But, thankfully, sobra kasi silang game, sobra silang nag-dive with me. So, at naniwala dun sa project, kaya ni isang reklamo o complaint, wala. As in, minsan pa nga sila pa humihingi eh. Nang isa pang take, okay ka na doon? Kaya ko pa isa. Or sometimes I would ask Emilio, like, there's a scene where, okay. Basta there's a scene na feeling ko pagod na siya.
Okay.
Kasi nakakailang takes na. And then, kita ko na medyo, pinagpapawisan na siya. Tapos sinabi ko, medyo out of focus. So, lumapit ako sa kanya na, if you tell me hindi mo na kaya, I'll let it go. Sabi niya, you want 2 more? Direct, ganun siya. You want 3 more? Gagawin ko ulit. So, ganun siya. Ganun yung mga bata.
Passion.
Sobra. So, wala akong naging problem.
Wala naman nag-injure.
Wala naman. May mga natamaan ng bola sa mukha.
Sa
Sino?
mukha,
Sino?
maraming natamaan sa mukha.
Jude, sino? Bigla ka nagsusorry.
Meron po kasing eksena na papaluan namin yung ibang mga players. At isa na dun sa napaluan, si Mr. Sky, Bright Sky, everybody.
Okay.
Sa mukha at medyo...
Ilang take?
Isa, in Jesus' name, isa lang yun.
Isa lang. In Jesus' name, isa.
Ayan po.
Kasi
Isa lang naman.
i-receive namin yung palo. Yung spike is dapat pababa to receive it. Eh si Jude, yung palo niya, diretso sa mukha
Napalakas.
ko. So, diretso sa mukha ko.
Oh, no.
So, diretso pa rin yung take. Medyo lumuluha na yung isa kong mata. Receive na pagkakaroon.
Mestizo pa man din ang kaibigan kong ito. Kaya po nung pumalo, paganon siya.
Mula agad. Grabe. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks Jude. Miss France will ask the next question. France, are you here? Parang I saw you. There you go.
Hi everyone. Congratulations everyone. Ayun, so, I think I can see you naman here. So ayun, first question would be for, Emilio, Sean, Dylan, and Sky. Anyway, si Sky pala, kwento ko lang mabilis. Seatmate yan ng graduation namin sa UP noong 2018. Siyang summa cum laude namin sa batch namin. Na-late kasi ako ng 16 years graduate, so siya yung katabi ko sa... So my question is for the 4 of you guys. Congratulations. Big break for all of you. Okay. Question ko is, kasi this is really, you're coming from different, kumbaga, iba-ibang industriya nang gagaling kayo sa iba't ibang mga fields of expertise before going here sa showbiz. So, ano yung natutunan nyo so far dito sa showbiz na distinct or kakaiba compared dun sa mga pinanggalingan nyo? Like, you Sky, galing ka sa UP, tas ikaw, Dylan, galing ka sa volleyball, ikaw, Sean, you're a filmmaking student, tas ikaw, Emilio, you're coming from somewhere. Ayun. So, ano yung natutunan nyo na distinct here in showbiz so far?
Sino nga sagot?
Ako, pwede po.
Yes, go.
Thank you po for that question. I think sa investment banking, definitely use a lot of your left brain. So it's a lot of logical thinking, being kind of robotic. Pero dito talaga sa industriya, especially kasi ngayon, na mahal ko na talaga ang pag-aarte. And it's really about being in touch with your feelings, being emotional, and being okay with that. Kasi I grew up talaga in a very hard family na discipline, and you don't really show your emotions. And I was also in an industry that's very cutthroat. Not saying that this line of work is not cutthroat. It is very cutthroat.
More cutthroat.
More cutthroat, if not. But, you know, you just have to be a lot more emotional, and that's okay. So, sana makita nyo yun.
Wait, are you the guy na nagti-TikTok na nagla-lunch break?
Yes, that's me.
That's you.
That's me. Nagla-lunch break ako sa Makati.
Mga Jolly Jeep, mga
Yes,
cafe
tama,
in
tama po.
Perea. Okay.
Opo.
And Emilio, hindi ka talaga mukhang first timer sa Pamilya Sagrada sa'yo.
Ay, salamat po.
Yes, so Sean, ikaw naman. Hi Sean, favorite.
Hello. Ano po, siguro as a filmmaking student, very related po, no? Pero ako ang na-discover ko is how much ako mas passionate about acting po talaga. I mean, I get to learn through sa school po how to make films, ganun. Pero dito, parang iba po kasi talaga kapag work na talaga siya. Kaysa sa parang yun, inaaral mo lang po, ganun. Pero dito, mas yun po, natutunan ko po talaga how passionate I am about acting. Nakagaya kay Emilio, sobrang na-inlove po talaga ako sa pag-arte. And it's been a childhood dream of mine, and unti-unti nakakamit ko po siya. So I'm happy dun po sa ano na yun.
Just so everybody had an idea, you were part of Fractured, right?
Yes po.
Ano pa yung mga past na projects mo, Sean?
I was part of Beach Bros, Dirty Linen, Pamilya Sagrada with Emilio, and Run to Me.
Dami na, di ba? Are you the guy na nagka-class tapos nagti-TikTok din? Parang gano'n, may...
Meron po sa Pamilya Sagrada.
Yeah.
Meron ganun.
And
Oh yes, also on TikTok.
In TikTok,
I also
I
do
see
TikTok.
that.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
also do TikToks.
Sa
Doon po
class,
talaga ako
sa
nagsimula.
school. Sa Lasal,
TikTok
right?
po talaga ako nagsimula. Yes, Benil po.
Benil.
you, Dylan?
Ako naman po, siguro madami rin similarities ang volleyball sa showbiz industry kasi sa taping may director po, sa volleyball may coach, may taga-guide, may teammates ako, may kasama akong cast sa set. Pero ang pinagkaiba po siguro na talagang natutunan ko is sa volleyball community, nire-represent ako sarili ko lang. Kumbaga ako lang, kung paano ako maglaro, kung paano ako gumalaw. Pero dito sa industriya natin, maraming tao ang makaka-relate sa'yo. So malaki siyang bagay dahil hindi lang sarili mo yung bit-bit mo. So, ayun, sana nagampanan ko na maayos yung role dahil feeling ko po madami po talagang makaka-relate kay Ethan.
Looking forward later. And then of course, Sky last.
For me, coming from speech communication na background with theater background as well kasi same department ng theater ang speech communication. I think the distinct part is being able to apply the theoretical part of learning it, yung pakikisama kasi nasa interpersonal communication, pero iba pag nandun ka na kasama mo sila, paano ka makikihalubilo sa mga co-actors mo. For example, for me, I'm really an introvert person, so it's an extra, I take an extra mile to get to know and to interact and to be friends, really establish a great foundation of friendship sa mga kasama ko, kay Direk, sa buong staff and crew, to be kind to everyone. Pero yung pinaka-distinct dito sa mismong production namin ng Love at First Bite, I've seen and I've experienced yung pagkamatay po ng mic. I've experienced the same hunger, the same passion that lahat kami meron. At I think mas na-ignite yun dahil of our director, si Direk Ivan, who shares the same passion, the hunger that we want to make this perfect. If kung meron man perfect or near to perfect, yung hunger and passion na makabuo ng kwento na may babahagi namin sa mga kapamilya na hindi lang basta nagawa. Kasi lagi naman sinasabi, pinagpaguran namin to and all. Pero dito, nandito talaga yung puso, nandito yung intention na maibahagi yung kanya-kanyang kwento ng mga karakter na sana merong kahit isang tao na makakanood that would be able to identify sa amin, sa mga shared experiences namin at malaman nila na hindi sila nag-iisa and things will get better from this on.
Very summa cum laude. Thanks, Kai. Okay, question, Tasha Rain. Ayan, hi Rain. Ayan, question. Kanina pa na pag-uusapan, nababanggit ni Kuya MJ na you really answer parang beauty queen. I mean, talagang napanindigan mo na. So, my question is, may plans pa ba to, after this, to pursue that, kasi parang meron kayang-kaya pa eh. Baka umabot pa ng Miss Universe. Ganun eh.
Thank you so much for thinking that way. Of course. Pero,
of course, may plans pa.
Yes, of course, may plans pa po. Pero as I grow older, I realize there's so much more intention to everything that you do. So, I'm prepping, I'm planning, I'm doing everything I can to join pageants with purpose, with organizations I trust, with organizations I can make and partner up with. So, before that, I'd love to act po. It was my first love in the industry po, before performing or anything else. This was really what I wanted to do. So I'm glad that I'm back. I'm glad that I got an opportunity to be back.
Finally, lead road.
Yes. I've seen you since years ago pa, over 5 years ago po. So it's really nice to see you again here. And yeah, sasali pa tayo ulit. And hopefully, sana I could represent the Philippines in the future. Who knows? Who knows?
Super last na lang na question for everyone. So kung sino pwede sumagot, especially si Direk, kasi wala si River dito and nasa PBB pa siya. So my question is, how would you describe his performance here? Para na lang sa mga ano, and ayun.
Maybe si Direk is the best person to answer that.
Thank you guys and congratulations.
Different. I guess to summarize, to describe his performance, it's different from his persona in PBB. Kasi he plays the nemesis of Emilio's character. So, yung pagiging kasi in real life, he's very charming, he's very sweet, soft-spoken, napaka-bait na bata. Pero dito, hindi. Complete opposite. And, ang galing lang nung pagkaka-differentiate ng personal dun sa character. So, yun yung, I guess yun yung pinaka-best description. It's very different. Baka makakapanibago if you watch it.
Nagpalit po kami, kumbaga sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Yes,
Kung
ikaw yung
ako si Leon, siya si Steven. Ngayon, the tables have turned.
Kumusta pala siya sa PBB last nila? Kasi nakita ko, pumasok uli kayo as challenger sa Hawas. Thank you.
Siyempre, sobrang saya niya nung nakita niya kami and I was very, very happy to reunite with all of the housemates. Abangan niyo na lang yun.
No, I think may ari na yata.
May ari na ba ngayon?
Di ba ba? Yung challenge.
I don't want to preempt anything. Baka patayin ako dito, so...
Okay.
Hello. Should I start? Hello po. Congratulations po first of all sa buong cast. Parang kinabahan. Okay. My first question is for Emilio. Congratulations again. Paano mo dinidil yung kaba and pressure now that you have the lead role? Lalo na sa mga intense na emotional scenes mo between the other cast members.
It's definitely about trust and teamwork. Kasi dito sa show namin, we're all very, very close and we all work very, very hard closely together. And because we work so hard together, the trust is built through that. And we really just rely on each other. Of course, we rely on Direk, Ivan, Ate Jen, everyone on prod. And they're the ones who really guide us to where we are. I think one of the biggest strengths of this cast is that we are very close. And makikita niyo yun sa show na to.
Thank you. My next question will be for Shan. Congratulations also. Maybe a love triangle sa series with Rain and Emilio. Paano kayo nagbaband off-cam para believable yung chemistry nyo on-cam?
O yung hindi mo sinabi kanina, sinabi na niya.
Well,
there's a love triangle.
Yes, we build chemistry. Simply, we're friends naman, me and Emilio. So, yun, we're friends. And Emilio talaga, I loved working with Emilio. What I really like about working with Emilio is how we give each other space to feel vulnerable po kada eksena. And he's very respectful, and he asks a lot of questions bago mag-eksena. Okay lang ba ganito? Okay lang ba ganito? Na-feel mo ba yun? Ganun. And it really helps a lot. And kasi parang sa set po namin, isa po talagang malaking bagay ay respeto po. And I think that really helps each and every one of us, hindi lang po ako, to really dig deep sa mga emotional scenes and other scenes. So, yeah, and I guess nag-work yung chemistry namin kasi friends naman kami.
Emilio, so ano yung kamusta experience mo with doing this character?
It's been a very, I guess, enlightening experience for me. Stepping into the shoes of Uno is very, it's a gift. Kasi I'm playing a character that's very, ang ganda ng journey eh. Ako, I really fell in love with the character of Uno because, you know, he starts off as this very closed-off guy, and then slowly by slowly, he's starting to open up because he's a little bit of an outsider. He doesn't have a lot of friends, and he really just keeps to himself. But, you know, in life, we all know that we all need friends. So slowly by slowly, you'll see his journey unravel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Angelica. Before we wrap things up, I'm just really curious talaga. Nakikinig ako sa mga sagot ninyo eh. How did you build the chemistry, Sean and Emilio? So wait, ang mangyayari is, ano ba, kayo, kasi triangle daw eh. So, again, explain it, Rain. You, kay Emilio,
cousins po kasi kami ni
Yes, it's so hard to
Rain.
preempt.
Okay.
And
Okay. Pero, nakita na namin sa trailer, parang little bit of ano na eh.
childhood best friends, cousins, and teammates. Teammates. Magiging teammates.
Yes.
May in love. Ganun ba yun? Parang yun yung trailer eh. Parang
Either may in love or baka na in love na dati, hindi natin alam.
Sa bagay. Oh, okay. I'm just really curious. So I can't wait to watch the tight cut later on.
Yeah.
Okay, may tinext lang daw si Fon sa akin. Okay, we're done with the questions. Maraming salamat to our friends of the press.